Vehicles and adjustments started during the 90s for Michael as he grabbed hold of an Acura Integra, including himself in San Diego's amazing road dashing scene. The two-entryway rendition of Acura's entrance-level Roadster was the vehicle to have around then, however Michael very much wanted the four-entryway variant. His advantage in vehicles just developed and later transformed into a BMW interest once the E46 was revealed. The E46 has such an immortal plan that actually looks extraordinary today, and is the best age M3 in numerous feelings, he says. With the presentation of the E46, I turned into a BMW fan yet didn't have BMW cash while in school. A piece more seasoned, assets would at long last emerge, and Michael grabbed hold of his most memorable BMW as a reasonable E90, a car skeleton, obviously. Afterward, in 2009, he would wind up residing in Japan where he'd disrupt his four-entryway norm with our 33 GTR. At the end of the day, in those days, it was a unique chance since it was beyond difficult to legitimately possess a GTR in the US, in contrast to now, he makes sense of. It was during his abroad days that he coincidentally found Japan's van and kart culture, the effect of which stayed with him as he got back to the US. Back in the States, he continued on toward another BMW, this time an E60 which he actually possesses right up till now, and to get around the crazy gas costs, he got a Scion XB. That too wound up getting a gathering of changes, most of which were directly from Japan. At last, in 2017, his companion Alex and his E46 visiting, fitted with a couple of parts from AM3, directed his best course of action. Michael adds, constructing an E46 M3 visiting transformation occurred. The prospect of having the presentation of a M3 in a visiting bundle was very interesting to me. The thought was initially brought forth by BMW when they constructed a Model E46 M3 visiting cart and promoted it as a definitive execution individual's mover. However, the venture never came to creation. There weren't many endeavors by kart proprietors and very little data accessible, yet luckily his companion Alex had the option to assist with acquiring help from a huge number of shops, companions, and partners to set the venture in motion. The main thing to get done was trading the whole motor and drivetrain from a contributor M3 into the cart. This incorporated the 6-speed transmission and differential, as well as the subframes and all of the suspension parts. When it was going, Michael and his cousins dove into the better subtleties of the trade and its emanations framework to prepare the cart for its go head-to-head with California's agency of CarFix, DRİFT. The interaction expected different excursions to the state office. However, in the long run the gathering made every one of the important changes to acquire official affirmation for the traded cart to legitimize